What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah.
Nice big classic box. I love this box.
Me too.
And before we open the box, though, Nigel, if this is their first time here, man, what should they do?
Y'all need to ring that notification bell.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Stay up on our content.
Stay up on our content.
Plug into us. Instagram. Twitter. TikTok. At Real Daddy Seed. All right.
Now we can open the box.
Now we get into it.
Let's go.
All right, let's pop these out, Nigel.
Yeah.
Ready for these puppies?
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Hot diggity dog.
Hot diggity. Hot dog.
Oh,
hot diggity dog.
Oh my.
All right. So we're going to look at this one today. This is a different type of shoe design. I mean, the same silhouette, the Jordan 6. Materials are, I think the materials are kind of outstanding personally.
Outstanding.
And I know like initially I was like all suede. I'm not 100% sure, but the execution came out. You like it?
That's hard, bro.
You like that?
Ooh,
Look
this
at
is
you.
tough.
Ooh, that icy bottom.
Look at the ice.
It's cold, man.
Frozen.
That's frozen. It's like Frozone.
Brr.
If Frozone from Incredibles had a shoe, it'd be this.
It'd be this. Look at the ice, and then look at the fur.
The
Look
fur.
at the fur. Keep you
Ice
warm.
and the fur.
Ooh.
I feel you, man. I feel you.
Ooh-wee.
So classic Jordan 6 design, right?
Yeah.
That Jordan 6 now, just a little bit of nostalgia, is the shoe in 1991. Michael Jordan won his first championship in.
That's fine.
Yeah, the black and
That's
red. So
tough.
it looked like they call them infrared now, but it was just black and red, the bread
He had
colorway.
5 shoes before he even won a championship.
Yeah.
He was just that tough.
Yeah.
Without a ring.
He had his shoe deal coming into the NBA, and the Bulls were terrible. The only player that I can remember from that team was Michael Jordan.
Wow.
And he would light it up and get 30, 40 points a night, and they would still lose.
That's crazy.
Like years, you know, all those years.
That's why he was so mean to everybody.
Right. He was like, man, I'm doing this by myself.
Wow.
But then they finally started putting the team together around him. Then he won finally in '91. They got Scottie Pippen on the team. You know, as he was, you know, aged and became more of a veteran.
Yeah.
And then, you know, the rest is history.
That's fine.
But yeah, in 1991, man, these dropped. I was in love with these. I did not get a pair.
These right here?
The 6s in general.
The 6s,
yeah. Because it was just a different design on the shoe. Because, I mean, the 5, like the 1s were your classic, right? And then the 2s and 3s and 4s are kind of like a mid cut. They're not a high top.
Yeah.
Right? So then the 5 was a high top with that big puffy tongue. And then the 6s came out with this kind of tongue, which was just so different with the holes in there that you can pull the shoe on, you know? And it's like really long. So it comes up, you know, kind of high on the ankle. And you got that ankle padding. They threw the spoiler on the back. You know, Tinker Hatfield designed these. Yeah, he said these were like designed after like a sports car.
That's tough.
That was like the right.
I see it too.
Like the sleek, the
Yeah.
shape of it. Spoiler on the back. You know, the lace lock, which is classic. They put on these, so you know Mike didn't have to worry about his shoes coming untied during the game. Because you put the lace lock on, you know, it won't go anywhere beyond that. You can tighten it up.
Right.
But yeah,
Tinker
man.
Hatfield, he snapped on these.
Yeah, he did. They gave us Nike Air on the back. I mean, Jordan Jumpman Air on the back.
What, do you think this would be better with the Nike Air?
I mean, it's always better with Nike Air personally.
I feel like this is actually better with the Jordan.
Just because of the way it centers on the back. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely tough. And then on the front with the lace lock and then this like kind of shroud that covers the laces.
Yeah.
With the Jumpman on that too.
On the tongue? Is it on the tongue?
This part here?
Yeah.
It's like a separate little, it's like a cover. It snaps onto the tongue. So you can kind of put your laces under there.
That's tough.
And it snaps on and off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But just about this colorway right here. This the gray and blue. I'm in love with it, man.
That's the Georgetown Hoyas, man.
Yep.
Georgetown Hoyas, DMV zone, right in Washington, D.C. Yeah, so it's not a Georgetown PE per se, but it's inspired by Georgetown. The gray, the blue, that's the Hoyas colors. But again, man, the icy blue on the bottom. You got your air sole unit, obviously. There's 4-foot air in here as well. But just an overall comfortable shoe. a little bigger than, they're not like, than a 1.
They look huge.
Yeah, they got like a little more space in them.
Yeah.
So, with a shoe like this, you could probably size down a half a size if you can, if you like that snugger fit. But I like them, man. I mean, what's your
I
thoughts
love them,
on it?
bro. And you got some good padding on the inside here, too. I can feel it like in the ankle. You said this already, but
Yeah.
it just feels good when I put my hand in there. But
Agreed.
my rating,
Yeah.
this is just a 10, bro. I'm gonna keep it real. This is a 10.
My man
hands
go for a
down,
10.
bro. As soon as they came out the box, I was like, yo, I had the steak face on 100%. This is just a fire shoe.
But initially, I remember we looked at these when it was an upcoming heat, and you said you weren't rocking with it because it was suede.
That's cap. That is
We'll
cap.
have to rewind the tape.
That is cap.
I'll find it. We'll rewind the tape. I remember, I'm telling you.
I was bugging.
You're like, suede.
I was bugging.
You liked it and then you lost it.
I liked it, but the suede 6, I'm not rocking with that too much.
Think about me, like Travis Scott did suede. Would you wear those? He did a suede 6, actually. Like the tan. I forget the color that
I
it's
didn't
called.
like his 6s.
Yeah. You didn't like them. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, this is definitely a dope color, dope colorway design.
What are you rating it?
I love the 6s, the Georgetown colorway. I'm gonna give it a 9.5. I mean, not just a 10, because for me the 10 is the black, it's black and red. And in these little circles here too, they do have like a little reflective 3M type thing under there. Inside the circle, it's kind of hard to see.
What?
Yeah, inside there. You turn them a little bit.
What's 3M?
The reflective material.
Like I can see like a reflection of me?
No, like if you're outside and cars ride by with their headlights, then it like kind of lights up a little bit.
Why?
Forget it. It's
What
hard to
is that
explain.
example you went for?
Y'all know what 3M is.
If I shot a flash on it, it'll like.
Yeah, it reflects. Yeah, it's reflective
It's not even reflective.
in the circles.
Oh, it's like shiny.
Yeah, there you go.
That is so tough. Bro.
You like that?
Yes.
Okay, I guess he likes it.
You said these fit kind of big, right?
Slightly
Right.
big, not
So,
like a whole full
if I wear
size.
12 and you
Boy.
wear these are the 11 and these are basically an
Here we go.
11.5.
Y'all,
then
thanks for hanging
basically,
out, checking these
I'm
shoes
able
out.
to
Did you
fit
cop a
these
pair?
shoes.
Hit
So
us
these
in the
are mine.
comments. Let us
Thank
know. Hit me on Instagram at Real
Thank
Daddy C. Thanks for hanging out. We see you on the next one, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.